So, welcome back students to Standard 10th Maths Chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry, and we are into the 12th session. Well, we'll continue to do what we did in the previous session, that is solving prove that type of sums. Alright, so far we have solved 12 sums. Now we move on to the next one, and that is 13th one. Okay. You can very clearly see 13th one here. Left hand side is sec beta minus tan beta whole upon sec beta plus tan beta. That is equal to right hand side 1 minus 2 into sec beta into tan beta plus 2 tan square beta. Children, well, you can do it in two ways. You can transform everything on left hand side into sine and cos. Simplify, get result 1. Same thing you can do by picking up right hand side. Pick up right hand side, convert everything into sine and cos, simplify and get result 2. Result 1 and result 2 are simplified forms of left hand side and right hand side. They will be equal, and hence you can say left hand side is equal to right hand side. Prove. But we have a shorter method. Remember children, I told you, yes, solving prove that type of sum is like you being in a maze. So you should look for the shortest path to get out of it, right? So here, there's one trick. See children, this sec plus 10, sec minus 10, that gives us the hint. The left hand side gives us the hint, okay, of multiplying and dividing something. Now this is like a square minus 2ab plus b square. Of course this is not b square, that you can get, but यहाँ से भी कुछ hint मिल रही है, यहाँ से भी कुछ hint मिल रही है. Like sec beta minus tan beta whole square कर दो तो middle term आएगा minus, है ना, 2 into sec beta into tan beta. That is there. That's why in the numerator, if I am having sec beta minus tan beta whole square, yes, the work might be done. Let's see. I'm picking up the left hand side. Left hand side. Right? That is sec beta minus tan beta whole upon sec beta plus tan beta. Alright? Well, I want to make this whole square. मुझे इसका whole square चाहिए. So multiplied by 1, but that 1 is what? Sec beta minus tan beta whole upon sec beta minus tan beta. So what I have done here, on left hand side I am getting this sec beta minus tan beta whole square in the numerator, and this expansion a plus b into a minus b. So that is sec square beta minus tan square beta. Alright? Now you may expand the numerator. That gives me sec square beta, right? A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. वो expansion identity I am using, minus 2 times sec beta into tan beta plus tan square beta. Children, ये रहा था वो hint squaring वाला. Okay, now whole upon, well, what is the identity? You can use the identity here. Square squares hai. So because 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Look. So what will be sec square minus tan square? Sec square minus tan square. It's going to be 1. So you got that whole upon 1. Now, what? Observe the right hand side. 1, 2 sec into tan b, that is there. tan square b, वो 2 tan square b है, लेकिन यहाँ 1 ही है. This is unwanted. So once again, what is sec square? 1 plus tan square. tan में convert हो गया. Alright. So this sec square is 1 plus tan square b. आगे जो भी हो लिखो, minus 2 sec b into tan b plus tan square b. You may not write the reason once again. It's here. Okay. So 1 as it is, 10 square plus 10 square will fall as 2 10 square b as the last term. Okay, चलिए ये लिख देते हैं पहले, -2 sec b into 10b plus 10 square plus 10 square is 2 10 square b. Finished. That is right hand side and proved. So this is how you can do it, children. Okay, there's the other way, but how long it's going to take, I don't know. Let's see. Left hand side, sec beta minus 10 beta whole upon sec alpha plus 10 beta. That is equal to, I am converting everything into sine and cos. So I'll use short form. You all can't, when you write in the paper, please. Sec is 1 upon cos, minus 10 is cos, sine upon cos, correct, into bracket, whole upon, this whole upon, so divide by. Again sec is 1 upon cos, plus sine is, 10 is sine upon cos. This is, okay, I'll use this because I'll have less a's here. So like denominator cos, up you can write straight away, divide by, correct, again cos, and that is 1 plus sine. That is equal to 1 minus sine upon cos into cos upon 1 plus sine. This cancels, and that is 1 minus sine beta upon 1 plus sine beta. This you may call it result number 1. That is the simplified form of left hand side in terms of sine and cos. Of course, cos is eliminated here, only sine is left. Now pick up right hand side, children. That is 1 minus 2 sec beta into 10 beta plus 2 10 square beta. This might be tough. Let's see. 1 upon 1 minus 2 into sec is 1 upon cos into 10 is sine upon cos plus 2 into 10 square is sine square upon cos square. Well, this will be cos square, this will be cos square, and here is 1. So the LCM is cos square. So you need to multiply cos square here, 1 here and 1 here. So what you will have, children? Cos square into 1 is cos square minus 2 sine plus 2 sine square, correct? Cos square into 1 is cos square, 2 sine, and this is 2 sine square. Now, what can be done, children? I am going to convert this into sine. Cos square is 1 minus sine square. Then you have minus 2 sine s plus 2 sine square upon cos square. That also I am writing 1 minus sine square. So in place of cos square, 1 minus sine square. मैं बाजू में वो रीजन नहीं लिख रहा हूं, आपको लिखना हो if you are employing this method. चलिए, now this is factorization, 2 terms, difficult one, 4 terms का factorization, applying 2 plus 2. यहाँ दो फैक्टर 1 minus sine into 1 plus sine, यहाँ minus 2s कॉमन, सो ब्रैकेट में 1 minus sine whole upon, इसके भी दो फैक्टर्स 1 minus sine into 1 plus sine. Okay, children, now this is 1 minus sine, and here you have 1 minus sine, that is common, so take common. 1 minus sine is common. In the bracket, 1 plus sine minus 2 sine upon 1 minus sine into 1 plus sine. So 1 minus sine cancels, and the numerator 1 plus sine minus 2 sine is minus sine, so you can say minus sine b upon 1 plus sine, that is 1 plus sine b. This is the result 2. Look the result of simplification of left hand side after converting everything into sine and cos, and see the result of right hand side after converting everything into sine and cos and simplifying it. They are same. So you can say by 1 and 2, it follows that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Prove. Is that clear? So I've shown you by both methods, but now you can realize why I'm talking about maze. Yes, you are in maze. chose the short path to get out of it. Here you chose the long path. Every now and then you are getting blocked. Actually, you are not getting blocked, but you can see the process is quite lengthy. I hope you have understood that. Okay, so we move on to the next one, and that is the 14th one. Okay. All right. Are you ready? Fine. Now see the 14th one. Yes, the angle is delta. This is delta. Okay. Here, children, you have to prove three things. This rational expression is equal to this rational expression. You can say whole upon 1 and this rational expression. So we have to prove three rational expressions are equal and the angle given is delta. Anyway, here no left hand side, no right hand side. Now I am going to write this. Yes, tan delta minus cot delta whole upon sin delta into cos delta. Okay, this is what you want. Okay, we'll transform everything into sin and cos and see what happens. So this is tan delta is sin delta upon cos delta minus cot delta is cos delta delta upon sin delta. All right, that in the bracket, and you may write divide by sin delta into cos delta. Right, I put division sign और नीचे ये दो प्रोडक्ट है. चलिए, what is LCM? Cos delta into sin delta. Here sin is missing, here cos is missing. Sin into sin is sin square delta minus cos square delta. Correct? This again I am writing divide by 1 upon sin delta into cos delta. I am converting division into multiplication. So I am taking the inverse of what we have here. Correct? Now this will be sin square delta minus cos square delta whole upon. Well, sin into sin is sin square delta. Cos into cos is cos square delta. Children, there are two terms here. Can you see that? There are two terms here. So I should, or even here, there are two terms if you try to prove any one of them. Okay, so I'll have to split here because I've got only one term. But numerator is of the form a minus b upon c. So you can split it in two terms as a upon c minus b upon c. That we have already listed in our process, right? So now you have sin square delta upon sin square delta into cos square delta, all right, minus cos square delta upon sin square delta into cos square delta. Sin square cancels, cos square cancels, right? This delta. So 1 upon cos square is sec square delta minus 1 upon sin square is cos x square delta. This is the result 1. You got this. Can you see that? Sec square minus cos x square. All right. Did you understand? Now, children, instead of picking up this again, see this sec square tan square identity hai. This sec square and sec square can be easily transformed into tan square and cos x square can be easily transformed into cot square. So I pick up this. Now, sec square delta minus cos x square delta is equal to, चलिए क्या मिलता है? Or I may write here, चलिए. What is that? 1 plus tan square delta minus, be careful, I am using the bracket. What is cos x square delta? 1 plus cot square delta. Open the bracket. 1 plus tan square delta minus, sign will change, minus 1 and minus cot square delta. Plus 1 minus 1 cancels. That gives me tan square delta minus cot square delta. And that's it. This is result number 2. Very simple now. By 1, because result 1 what it says? This expression is this. result to what it says? That second expression is the third. So transitivity develops. So by 1 and 2, it follows that you may write everything tan delta minus cot delta upon sine delta into cos delta is equal to sec square delta minus cosec square delta is equal to tan square delta minus cot square delta. This is proved. I hope it's clear to you. Okay? Yeah, of course, little bit tough. Okay? Here, transforming everything into sine and cos, then again transforming into sec and cosec. Then it is easy. Sec and cosec are converted into tan and cot. I hope you have understood. Correct? Now we move on to the 15th one. Yes. One ratio is equal to second ratio is equal to third ratio. That is what we saw in the 14th one. Let's continue this type of sums. Okay, see the 15th one? Yes, this is sum of two rational expressions. Okay, is equal to this rational expression is equal to third. So first rational expression, irrational expression, actually sum of two rational expressions. उसका simplify करेंगे तो एक ही rational expression मिलेगा. So first rational expression is equal to second is equal to third. Fine. If you, what? Everything is in terms of sine and cos. Here also everything is in terms of sine and cos. And here it's purely cos. Yes. What can we do is pick up this sum of rational expression. So now, sine of A plus cos of A upon sine of A minus cos of A plus sine of A minus cos of A whole upon sine of A plus cos of A. Already they are in the form of basic trigonometric ratios, sine and cos. So, transforming everything into sine and cos is not necessary. It's already there. So, we have to go for simplification. And what simplification can be done? Yes, go for LCM. What is the LCM? Sine A minus cos A into another bracket sine A plus cos A. What is missing here? Sine A minus cos A is there. So this is missing. Sine plus cos. What is present here? Sine plus cos. This is present. So sine minus cos is missing. So now what can we do? Children? Sine plus cos into sine plus cos. So sine A plus cos A whole square plus. So plus. Now sine minus cos into sine minus cos, ये दो का product, that is sine A minus cos A whole square. So what should be the next step? See, numerator has two terms. First term is square of binomial A plus B whole square. That is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So you can go for this expansion. So first term square, sine square A plus 2 into sine A into cos A plus cos square A plus, again, no need of extra bracket because of this plus sign, sine square A minus 2 into sine A into cos A plus cos square A, correct? Plus 2 sine A into cos A minus 2 sine A into cos A. Sines, okay, I'll write whole upon first. A minus B into A plus B, expansion, that gives me sine square A minus cos square A. If you look at the second ratio, आपको अपना denominator मिल गया है. Can you see that? Yes. तो अब न्यूमरेटर 2 लाना है तो मिल जाएगा आराम से. साइन स्क्वायर प्लस साइन स्क्वायर इज 2 साइन स्क्वायर ए. उसी तरह कॉस स्क्वायर प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर इज 2 कॉस स्क्वायर ए. अभी इसको तो रिटेन ही करना है, उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं लाना है. साइन स्क्वायर ए माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर ए. नाउ फैक्टराइजेशन 2 इज कॉमन. साइन स्क्वायर ए प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर ए. whole upon sin square a minus cos square a. Sin square a plus cos square a is 1 upon sin square a minus cos square a, because cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. This reasons you all have to write, children, whether I write or not, because we have already seen 12 sums earlier where I have gone very slow and dictating everything what you are supposed to do and what you are not supposed to do. Now this is equal to 2 upon sin square a minus cos square a. We are going to call it result number 1. The work is not yet over. Children, once again, if you want, you can pick up this and show it is equal to this. But this is very easy. From here you can get that easily because numerator 2 it's already there. अभी यहाँ sin square minus cos square है, यहाँ cos square है, उसका मतलब sin square को हमें गायब करना पड़ेगा. We'll have to get rid of sin square and we have got identity. So now I'm picking up the result 1, that is 2 upon sin square a minus cos square a. That is equal to 2 as it is. Now this sin square is 1 minus cos square a minus आगे cos square a. Finished. It's done. You have used identity. आपको sin square चाहिए नहीं. So for sin square you substituted 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square is minus 2 cos square. Result 2. Finished. What is result 1 showing you? This equal to this. What is result 2 showing you? This second ratio equal to third ratio. So by 1 and 2, it follows that, yes, you may write this whole sin a plus cos a upon sin a minus cos a plus sin a minus cos a whole upon sin a plus cos a is equal to 2 upon sin square a minus cos square a is equal to 2 upon 1 minus 2 cos square a. And that is proved. Clear? Understood? I hope so. Alright. So that was 15th one. Now moving on to the 16th one. Here also, like the 15th and 14th one, 3 rational expressions are equal. That is what we are going to show. So that first ratio equal to second ratio is equal to third ratio. First ratio is in terms of tan and it is in terms of tan. So you can easily transform into cos and sin. Here cos ही चाहिए, हो जाएगा. This is going to be very easy. Now I pick up what is here seen as the first rational expression. Tan square a minus tan square b. That is equal to, what is tan square in terms of sin square and cos square? Sin square a upon cos square a minus sin square b upon cos square b. Okay, you can go for simplification. आप LCM निकालो. Cos square a into cos square b. That is LCM. यहाँ cos square a है, so cos square b is missing. यहाँ cos square b है, so cos square a is missing. So what you can do now? This cos square b into sin square a. So sin square a into cos square b minus sin square b into this cos square a. Now, if you look at the second ratio, your denominator is obtained. Can you see that? आपको denominator मिल चुका है कि नहीं? cos square b यहाँ है, cos square a यहाँ है. आप रिवर्स लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ सब मुझे सिर्फ cos चाहिए. सो उसका मतलब क्या हुआ चिल्ड्रन? आपको ये साइन नहीं चाहिए, आपको ये साइन नहीं चाहिए. ऑलराइट, चलिए तो क्या करते हैं हम लोग ना? व्हाट कैन वी डू? साइन की जगह पे ओके, दिस cos स्क्वायर इज मोनोमियल, उसको आगे लिखते हैं b, और ये 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर a. फिर से इस cos स्क्वायर a को आगे लिखते हैं और ब्रैकेट में साइन स्क्वायर की जगह पे 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर बी, देखो मैंने एंगल नहीं बदला है, और इसको कॉस स्क्वायर बी पहले लिखता हूं इनटू कॉस स्क्वायर ए। ओके फाइन, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करो, 1 इंटू कॉस स्क्वायर बी इज कॉस स्क्वायर बी माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर ए इंटू कॉस स्क्वायर बी। कॉस स्क्वायर ए इंटू 1 इज कॉस स्क्वायर ए विथ माइनस साइन, कॉस स्क्वायर ए इंटू कॉस स्क्वायर बी, कॉस स्क्वायर ए इंटू कॉस स्क्वायर बी माइनस माइनस प्लस होल अपॉन cos square b into cos square a. Children, you can see minus cos square a cos square b plus cos square a cos square b. So you are left with cos square b minus cos square a upon cos square b into cos square a. This is result 1, which is exactly the middle ratio. Correct? अभी आप देखो, from here you got this, and from this you can get, because denominators are same, सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर में cos नहीं है, सब sin है, so you can transform every cos square into sin square. So again I pick up this, or now you can see cos square b here minus cos square a upon cos square b into cos square a is equal to, yes, what is cos square b? 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर बी माइनस, यहां माइनस है, सो यू हैव टू राइट इन द ब्रैकेट कंपल्सरीली. व्हाट इज कॉस स्क्वायर ए? 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर ए होल अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर इज एज इट इज कॉस स्क्वायर बी इनटू कॉस स्क्वायर ए. ओपन द ब्रैकेट, 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर बी, ब्रैकेट ओपन, सो प्लस 1 becomes minus 1, minus sin square a becomes plus sin square a whole upon cos square b into cos square a. Plus 1 minus 1 cancels. First term is negative, second term is positive. Let's write positive term first, a, which is sin square a minus sin square b whole upon cos square b into cos square a. Result 2. So that gives second ratio equal to third. So now you can say by 1 and 2 it follows that फर्स्ट रेशियो आप लिखेंगे इज इक्वल टू सेकंड रेशियो जो भी है यहां इज इक्वल टू थर्ड रेशियो जो भी है यहां. प्रूव्ड. इज दैट क्लियर टू यू चिल्ड्रन? अंडरस्टूड? ओके, आप मेरी तरफ बॉक्स मत लिखना, आपको ये लिखना है और प्रूव करना है. आई एम जस्ट सेविंग टाइम सो दैट द लेंथ ऑफ द वीडियो इज नॉट बिकमिंग टू लॉन्ग. ओके फाइन. So here is the 17th one. Observe its left hand side. Square of binomial sin theta minus sec theta whole square plus the second term is also square of binomial. Binomial means two terms, correct? Cos theta minus cosec theta whole square, that is equal to square of binomial. Here we have sum of squares of two binomial and here we have only one binomial. आप ऑब्जर्व करो, यहां साइन सेक कॉस कॉसेक है और यहां सेक और कॉसेक है. यहां सेक और कॉसेक है तो फर्स्ट थिंग वी कैन थिंक कि सेक और कॉसेक को रिटेन करते हैं. लेट्स रिटेन देम, नो चेंज इन देम. एंड व्हाट इज साइन? 1 अपॉन कॉसेक, सो इट इज ट्रांसफॉर्म इनटू कॉसेक. व्हाट इज कॉस? 1 अपॉन सेक. So instead of converting everything into sine and cos, it would be better if we convert sine into cosec and sec in, cos into sec. So everything is in terms of sec and cosec. फिर इसको पाने के लिए हम कुछ कसरत करेंगे. Let's see children. Okay. So here it's left hand side, right? Only two ratios. So left hand side, sine theta minus sec theta whole square plus cos theta minus cosec theta whole square. Yes, you might think of using expansion a square minus b square, a minus b whole square, like a square minus 2ab plus b square. But don't do that. See, I am doing the work inside the bracket. Sine is 1 upon cosec theta minus, now this is sec theta. First term is in rational expression form, so I am representing second term also in rational expression by taking sec upon 1 plus similarly here cos is 1 upon sec theta minus cosec theta upon 1 whole square. Yes, the reason because sine alpha into cosec alpha is equal to 1 and cos alpha into sec alpha is equal to 1. Please write this properly, children? Okay. Now this is equal to, go for LCM. What is LCM of cosec and 1? That is cosec alpha. Plus, here also LCM of sec and 1, that is sec. It is theta, so theta. Alright? Okay. So here, cosec is there, so cosec 1 and here 1 cosec sec 1 and 1 into sec. Now see what happens here. Alright? 1 into 1 is 1 minus cosec into sec. You may write sec theta into cosec theta. Here 1 into 1 is 1 minus sec theta into cosec theta. Sec this into this cosec theta. And don't forget whole square, don't forget whole square, they are whole square. Chaliye. So now a upon b whole square can be written as a square upon b square, power of quotient. So numerator 1 minus sec theta into cosec theta whole square upon cosec square theta plus numerator square 1 minus sec theta into cosec theta whole square upon square of sec, that is sec square theta. Children, look at right hand side now. देखो right hand side 1 minus sec theta into cosec theta, 1 minus sec theta into cosec theta whole square, 1 minus. So two terms में ये common है. So take common 1 minus sec theta into cosec theta whole square is common. So what you will have in the bracket, children? What you will have? Here numerator common. So 1 upon cosec square theta plus numerator has gone common. So 1 upon sec square theta. Now हमें तो right hand side ये है, तो ये तो मिला, ये additional है, उसका इलाज हो जाएगा. That should be 1. वो कहीं ना कहीं गायब होना चाहिए. Let's see cosec theta whole square. Now what is 1 upon cosec? देखो यहाँ 1 upon cosec is sine. So 1 upon cosec square theta is sine square theta. Plus what is 1 upon cos? Cos उधर ले जाओ, sorry sec उधर ले जाओ. 1 upon sec, that is cos square. So this is going to be cos square theta. You have written once here reason, so no need to write every now and then. 1 minus sec theta into cosec theta whole square multiplied by 1, because sine square alpha plus cos square alpha, you may write cos square alpha plus sine square alpha, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, and that is equal to 1 minus sec theta into cosec theta whole square. That is RHS and proved. Clear to you? I hope you have understood. Okay, we move on to the next one. And 18th is here. You can see first ratio equal to second ratio equal to third ratio. That is what we are supposed to prove. But as we did in the earlier sums, I'll prove first ratio is equal to second ratio. So if you observe left hand side of that is first ratio, you have tan and cot, and the second ratio also possesses tan and cot. So we might think there is no need to transform this trigonometric ratios into sine and cos, but it is not so. I'll show you the reason why. Okay, now you see, if you take this, you will have to take LCM of 1 minus cot theta into 1 minus tan theta. This will be the LCM in the denominator. It's not like the earlier case, a sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta, तो easily a square minus b square हो जाता था, फिर वो आइडेंटिटी यूज करके समथिंग एल्स. मतलब हम इससे आगे बढ़ते थे और इससे भी आगे बढ़ते थे. बट हियर देयर इज नो स्कोप. यहाँ आपको 1 इंटू 1 1 1 इंटू 10 कॉट इंटू 1 कॉट इंटू 10 वही करना पड़ेगा, फिर आगे भी कैसे पढ़ेंगे? एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी विल नॉट take LCM initially. First we will transform everything into sin and cos. I hope you understood this concept. Okay, so now I pick up the first ratio, which is actually sum of two rational expressions, tan theta whole upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta whole upon 1 minus tan theta. Children, you will have to use brackets very smartly here. Okay, so that is equal to, see I am using large bracket. Now this tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta whole upon, so I am putting division sign, I will need a bracket 1, you know you are going to write 1 upon 1 minus cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta, small bracket over, large bracket over. So this is what we did for the first term. Similarly, we are going to do for the second term. Cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. Divide by, small bracket, 1 upon 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. That is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Divide by, the LCM is sin theta. Alright, I'll do later. Cos theta upon sin theta divide by, well, the LCM of 1 and cos is cos theta. If you want, you can use the bracket here. Correct? Now, LCM is sin theta, so 1 into sin and a sin into 1. Here the LCM is 1 or cos, LCM cos. So, 1 into cos is cos and cos into 1. So, 1 into sin, thus now, 1 into sin is sin theta minus 1 into cos is cos theta. Cos into 1 is cos theta minus 1 into sin is sin theta. Okay. That is equal to sin theta upon cos theta divided by. Okay, this division you may transform into multiplication. Sin theta upon sin theta minus cos theta plus, yes, cos theta upon sin theta, convert division into multiplication. So cos theta up and denominator cos theta minus sin theta. Now you have to observe something. क्योंकि अभी तो okay, I'll write one more step. Sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta upon cos theta into that binomial sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta upon that binomial, first is the monomial sin theta into that binomial cos theta minus sin theta. Okay children? अब क्या देखना है? अब तो एलसीएम निकालना पड़ेगा. cos, sin और ये ब्रैकेट डिफरेंट है. sin minus cos and this is cos minus sin. Cos minus sin becomes sin minus cos if you take minus common. So let's take minus common from this binomial. So minus sin will become plus sin and plus cos will become minus sin. Correct? And वो माइनस बाहर निकल के ये प्लस को माइनस कर देगा. ऊपर cos स्क्वायर थीटा एज इट इज, नीचे ये sin थीटा एज इट इज, लेकिन ये ब्रैकेट में चेंज जाएगा. प्लस sin थीटा फर्स्ट लिखा और माइनस cos थीटा नेक्स्ट लिखा. And this remains as it is, sin square theta whole upon cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So that is equal to, now the LCM, cos into sin. So cos theta into sin theta. और अब ये सेम हो गया. So only one time you have to write sin theta minus cos theta. Alright. Now, यहाँ sin, cos और ब्रैकेट है. यहाँ cos और ब्रैकेट है, sin थीटा इज मिसिंग. यहाँ sin और ब्रैकेट है, cos थीटा इज मिसिंग. सो दिस sin into sin square, that is sin cube theta, minus cos into cos square, that is cos cube theta. चिल्ड्रन, अब एक आइडेंटिटी है. a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube is equal to first factor a minus b into second factor, यहां से लिखेंगे first term square minus, so plus a into b plus b ka square. So it has binomial and trinomial, two factors. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Correct? So हम यहां भी लिख देते हैं हमारा प्रूफ दैट में, क्योंकि दिस इज समथिंग न्यू. सिंप्लीफिकेशन, ऑलराइट, एंड दैट इज फैक्टराइज. ये फैक्टराइज है. ए क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब, उसका पहला फैक्टर a माइनस बी, दूसरा फैक्टर ट्राइनोमियल. ये फर्स्ट टर्म का स्क्वायर, मिडल टर्म माइनस हो तो यहाँ प्लस, दोनों का प्रोडक्ट a इंटू बी और सेकंड टर्म का स्क्वायर. These are the two factors. Children, this I am going to write it in proper order and give you later. Okay? But अभी देखो हर एक चीज कैसे हम यूज कर रहे हैं. राइट? ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं. सो द फर्स्ट फैक्टर विल बी साइन थीटा माइनस कॉस थीटा. सेकेंड फैक्टर, ये साइन का स्क्वायर, दैट इज साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. यहाँ माइनस तो यहाँ प्लस, साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा. और यू मे राइट cos थीटा इंटू साइन थीटा, इट्स वन एंड द सेम. और फिर cos का स्क्वायर प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा हो गया न्यूमरेटर का फैक्टर्स. नाउ दिस इज cos थीटा इंटू साइन थीटा माइनस cos थीटा. वाओ, सब प्रोडक्ट है. साइन थीटा माइनस cos थीटा कैंसल्स, सो दैट इज इक्वल टू साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos थीटा इंटू साइन थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा होल अपॉन cos थीटा इंटू साइन थीटा. चिल्ड्रन, यहाँ 1, 2 और 3 टर्म्स है. यहाँ एक ही टर्म आया है, बट न्यूमरेटर हैज 3 टर्म्स, 1, 2 and 3. So if you split, you get 3 terms. So that is sin square theta upon cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta upon cos theta into sin theta plus cos square theta upon cos theta into sin theta. एक साइन गया, यहां एक cos गया, cos cos sin sin सभी गया. राइट? सो यहां एक साइन बचा अपॉन cos, दैट इज tan थीटा. यहां एवरीथिंग इज कैंसल, सो दैट इज 1. एक cos बचा और साइन, cos अपॉन साइन इज cot थीटा. आप बराबर अरेंज कर लीजिए. प्लस 1 पहले लिखा, प्लस tan थीटा और लास्ट में cot थीटा. दैट इज इक्वल टू RHS. प्रूव्ड. इज दैट क्लियर टू यू? चलिए, ना आपको ये प्रूव करना है. यहां कितनी टर्म्स है? 3. ना चिल्ड्रन, 1 प्लस tan थीटा प्लस cot थीटा, सीधा इसका मैं ये लिख दूं या आप आगे करना चाहते हो? 1 अपॉन 1 प्लस साइन अपॉन कॉस, आई एम यूजिंग शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स, प्लस कॉस अपॉन साइन. एलसीएम निकालिए, कॉस इंटू साइन. सो हियर आपको कॉस साइन, यहां साइन, यहां कॉस. करेक्ट? सो साइन, कॉस साइन इंटू 1 इज कॉस साइन, प्लस साइन इंटू साइन इज साइन स्क्वायर, प्लस cos into cos is cos square. इसका प्रोडक्ट और इसका प्रोडक्ट. आई एम राइटिंग इट हियर वंस अगेन. सो cos sin प्लस sin स्क्वायर प्लस cos स्क्वायर होल अपॉन cos sin. चिल्ड्रन, ये तो 3 टर्म्स, और यहां देखो, यहां 1 और 2 टर्म्स ही चाहिए और 1 चाहिए. सो दैट cos स्क्वायर प्लस sin स्क्वायर इज 1. सो cos sin प्लस 1 अपॉन cos sin. ये तो डबल काम हो गया. 1 भी मिल गया और 2 टर्म्स भी मिलने के लिए हालात मिल गए. सो cos sin अपॉन cos sin प्लस 1 अपॉन cos sin. दिस कैंसल्स एंड यू गॉट 1, एंड दिस इज 1 अपॉन cos इंटू 1 अपॉन sin. ऊपर का 1 मैंने 1 इंटू 1 लिखा. दैट इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन cos इज sec थीटा और 1 अपॉन sin इज cosec थीटा. करेक्ट? इसको कहो रिजल्ट 2, इसको हम कहेंगे रिजल्ट 1. सो बाय 1 and 2 इट फॉलोज दैट this equal to this equal to this. Proved. I am not writing that, I don't have space. I hope you have understood that. Clear to you? So let's move to the next one now, and it is 19th one. Here also first ratio equal to second ratio equal to थर्ड रेशियो. ऑल राइट, यहां क्या होने वाला है चिल्ड्रन पता है? यू वोंट गेट दिस इक्वल टू दिस. आपको ये नहीं मिलने वाला है. दिस इक्वल टू दिस आपको मिलेगा एंड दिस इक्वल टू दिस. वो तो देखने के बाद ही पता चलेगा ना. सो लेट्स टेक नाउ 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square a is equal to. Children, squares है. You have squares. Squares है. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी यूज करो, है ना. tan स्क्वायर वाली आइडेंटिटी कहाँ है? ये tan यहां 1 plus tan square is sec square. सीधा 1 plus tan square is sec square. और 1 plus cot square. Cot square plus 1 बोलो या 1 plus cot square, that is cosec square. So straight away you got the identities. Correct? 1 plus tan square is sec square a upon 1 plus cot square is cosec square a, because 1 plus tan square alpha is equal to sec square alpha and 1 plus cot square alpha is equal to cosec square alpha. That is the reason. Chaliye, this I am going to convert into cos. So 1 upon cos square, this upon I am going to write in division form. Now this cosec is 1 upon sine. So cosec square will be 1 upon sine square a. 1 upon cos square a multiplied by sine square a upon 1. Division is converted into multiplication. So you have sine square a upon cos square a, and that is equal to tan square a. So you didn't get this, but you got that. Never mind. This is result 1. Now you pick up this. Now 1 minus tan a upon 1 minus cot a whole square is equal to. Children, I am going to work inside. अंदर काम करने वाला हूं, expand नहीं करने वाला हूं. So this whole square will remain 1 upon 1 minus sin upon cos divide by ये upon का अंदर 1 upon 1 minus cos upon sin. ये ब्रैकेट बड़ी होनी चाहिए थी बिकॉज ऐसे भी ये थोड़ा कंजस्टेड हो गया था. सो आई स्टार्ट अगेन. नाउ दिस 1 minus tan a whole 1 minus tan a upon 1 minus cot a whole square is equal to, see, 1 upon 1 minus, I'll use short form, sine upon cos, this, divide by 1 upon 1 minus cos upon sine, और this is whole square. करेक्ट. यहां एलसीएम है 1 और cos का एलसीएम cos. ऑलराइट. सो 1 into cos और cos into 1. So this is cos 1 za cos, 1 sin za sin, divide by this LCM. This LCM is going to be sine. 1 sin za and sine 1 za. So this is 1 into sine is sine minus 1 into cos is cos. And don't forget whole square. This is equal to cos minus sine upon cos. Division I am converting into multiplication. So sine ऊपर और sine minus cos नीचे. Whole square. Children, ये एक cos minus sine है और ये sine minus cos है. यहाँ से minus common निकाल दो. Take minus common. So minus ब्रैकेट में minus sine plus sine पहले लिखा, plus cos minus cos, whole upon cos into sine upon sine minus cos, whole square. ये cancel. So this is minus sine upon cos whole square. That is minus sine upon cos is 10. It is a, so I'll put a whole square, and minus of 10 whole square is 10 square a. प्लस हो गया. इसको कहेंगे रिजल्ट नंबर 2. So ये भी ये मिल गया. So by 1 and 2 it follows that this equal to this equal to this. All right. I hope you all have understood this. All right. So we end up the 12th session here. We'll meet again in the next session. Till then, goodbye.